Hi, I'm Marcia, also known as M. Welcome to my channel. It's great to meet you. The secrets to finding a prospective celebrant and being prepared for that meeting is in the planning. It's really important to prepare what you want to know, what's really important to you, any questions you want to ask. Write them down on a piece of paper or save them on your mobile, but be sure to ask them during the meeting. Try to be yourself. It's really important. It's a really big decision that you're making, but your celebrant also wants to know that they can connect with you. So they also want to feel that connection to know whether you're also the client that they can work with too. A good celebrant is used to meeting new people and also helping them to relax and actually get the most information from them. Think about what they've done before. Ask them what they've done before. Who have they worked with? Are they accustomed to working with people? Do they have the experience of talking to people on a day-to-day basis, listening to people? Do they have the skills that you need to organize your wedding ceremony and to write your ceremony? Are they organized? Do they have writing skills? Do they have the listening skills that are needed and the communication skills? Can you see them with you on your special day, talking to you and talking to your guests and greeting your guests? This is one of the most important factors in terms of your decision of who your celebrant is going to be, rather than either the cheapest celebrant. Remember, this is one of the most important days in your lives, and you don't want to scrimp and scrape with who your celebrant is. So it's really important to focus on who they are and what their personality is like, because they're the person that's really going to help you to make those memories that last a lifetime. You can do all the research for your celebrant, prospective celebrants, beforehand or afterwards, researching on their blog, on their website, and their social media channels to get a feel of who they are. But it's really important to spend your time during this meeting to getting a feel for them and their personality and asking all the questions that you need to know from them. Remember, the journey to writing and officiating your ceremony is a process which starts from the moment you're talking with a prospective celebrant, and is a gradual process along that journey. Best wishes for your discovery meeting to find your celebrant. Hope to see you soon.